Hello, this is a push button or a panic button. I'm going to show you in this video how it works. A panic button is something we install in order to send an alarm, a silent alarm. So we install it in banks, for example, in order to send a silent alarm to tell to the monitoring station or to the police that something happens which needs to intervene, or maybe in a house, for example. Also we can install it in the master bedroom, for example, in order to send an alarm and to dispatch authorities. So in this video I'm going to show you how it works. So as you can see here, there is a push here where we can push in order to send the alarm, and screws in here where we can plug the wires. Here we are. I plugged my panic button into the leads of my multimeter. So if I push on the button, the alarm will sound. So it is as simple as that. So the panic button is installed under the desk discreetly, so that someone in the desk or in the office who is threatened, he can push on his button discreetly and the police or the authorities will be dispatched. Thank you. Bye bye.